In this video I'm going to show you how to close games and applications on your PS5. So the first option is by hitting the PlayStation button on your control pad here, and this will bring up this menu. Then you want to come down and select Switcher. Now with Switcher up, you can go to a different game here, so Gran Turismo 7, or you can click the options on your control pad and then come down to close game, and this will close out of the game. But let's say you're back on the game and you don't want to actually close down the game. One long hold press on the PlayStation button on your control pad will take you back to the home screen, and this will allow you to click back onto the game and come back where you left off. So one long hold press takes you back to the home screen, but you can also close the game from here. So you can press the options key, then you can click close game. And that is two different ways how to close out of games and applications on your PS5. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.